Ever wonder why inhalers and antihistamines only provide temporary relief? The disturbing truth is hidden inside your lungs. According to breakthrough research, PMC 10611742, chronic inflammation causes airway remodeling. This is where your bronchial muscles physically thicken, locking your airways and creating that heavy, suffocating chest pressure. But there's a new frontier in respiratory science: tiger milk mushroom. Clinical data confirms this botanical technology does something rare. It targets proteins like TGF-beta1 to effectively dethicken your airway muscles and stop mucus overproduction at the source. It doesn't just soothe, it physically remodels your lungs for 100% oxygen intake. This is the core of the PulmoBalance research formula. We've combined tiger milk with mullein for deep clearance and bioperine for maximum absorption. Stop fighting for every breath. It's time to reclaim your lung vitality. I've documented the full 2026 phytotechnology protocol at the Holistic State. Click the link below to watch the breakthrough presentation and start your lung reconstruction ritual today.